So less than a month since Ofgem announced the energy price cap, we've now got the energy price guarantee. Great thing about the energy price guarantee is it gives us absolute reassurance as to what our home domestic energy is going to cost for the next 2 years. The most misleading thing about it is it's not a £2,500 cap regardless of how much electricity you use. The £2,500 has come from the average consumption. Specifically, if you're an EV driver or if you're charging an EV at home, you are not an average consumption household. The cap is actually a cap on the standing charge and the unit rate of gas and electricity. So the true amount you'll pay your energy supplier could be significantly more, it could be significantly less than the £2,500. But you need to be aware, if you're in an EV, it is your consumption that will drive the amount you pay. The really good news is it does mean that charging an electric vehicle at home is significantly cheaper than running a petrol or diesel vehicle, and almost certainly will be the case for the next 2 years. If you want to find out more about what it means to transition your business or your fleet to electric vehicles, please visit mina.co.uk. There's a knowledge hub with frequently asked questions and lots of tips and advice as to how we can help you move over to electric.